Chinese Consul General in New York, Huang said Tuesday that economic trade ties between China and the United States connect both sides of the Pacific and are as inseparable as threads and needles. He made remarks at the opening ceremony of the 24th China Textile and Apparel Trade Show at the Javits Center in New York City.
Very good example. We cannot live without textiles and clothing. The threads and the needles connect both sides of the Pacific and represent the inseparable economic and trade ties between China and the US. Moreover, they weave the fabric of friendship between the two peoples. China has the world's largest and the most complete textile industry chain. It is also the number one producer, exporter, and consumer of textiles. China's highly market-oriented textile industry has deeply integrated into the global supply chain and the value chain of the sector. It is difficult for any country to completely replace China's huge market and strength in the industry. The US knows this well. As for China, no single country could demand and consume as many textiles as the US does. Such interdependence and complementarity between the two countries call for a long-term and stable cooperative relationship. I hope the textile industry sectors of both countries can seize opportunities and strengthen cooperation and contribute to a healthy, stable, and sustainable growth of China-US economic and trade relations.
The three-day event, held in parallel with Tex World New York, Apparel Sourcing New York, and Home Textile Sourcing Expo, gathered nearly 800 Chinese fabric, home textile, and apparel manufacturers to showcase their latest products and collections to their American fashion clients. From 2020 to 2022, China's annual average of textile and apparel exports surpassed $300 billion, reaching an all-time high of $323.3 billion in 2022.